Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's class we'll be learning this amazing mini handbag. Okay, it's super easy and beginner friendly. Can you see what it's containing? It's very portable. It's not all the time that you carry bogus handbag around, so this one can serve a mini outing. Okay, if this is what you are searching for, please watch this video from beginning to the end. It's very easy to make, so let's get started. Okay, this is the panel. The fabric we'll be using is a leather material which is having a design on it, which is measuring 16.5 inches by 13 inches. Okay, so after getting it, I'll sew my logo. After sewing my logo, I'll cut out the lining same size and I'll cut a small pocket for it. So working on the pocket, which is measuring 8.5 inches by 7 inches. Okay, so after that I will show you how I've drawn this mark. From this top edge, you just mark half and quarter. Then from the side you also mark half and quarter. Okay, so you just draw it. Then that middle one, you just mark half inch to make your square or to make your rectangle. Then from the edge of your fabric, you measure or you mark 2 inches, then you place it as shown. Where I designed this is on the wrong side, but I'll place it on the right side of my pocket. Can you see? So after that, I will now cut it open. Can you see? After sewing it, I'll cut it open. Then I will turn it to the normal side. Then I'll iron it. If you have an iron it, but I'm local ironing it with my machine head. Okay, after that I'll fold it and I'll stitch it as shown. Can you see? It's very easy and beginner friendly, so just pay attention and pay detail. I top stitch it, then I'll turn it over and I'll sew it as you can see me do. Just the normal sewing. This one is not having zipper. Okay, after that I will carry my zip clothes, good side of the zip clothes facing good side of the fabric. Then I will bring my lining, good side of the lining facing good side of the fabric. Then I'll stitch it straight. Can you see? After stitching it straight, this is the result. I'll turn it over and give it a very neat top stitch. Do not always forget your oil if you are using a leather material. Okay, so after that I will also sew this part as shown, as like this, fabric to fabric and lining to lining. Then I'll stitch it straight. I'll repeat the same method. Then I'll open the zipper so that I can be able to top stitch it. Okay, so it's very easy. So I'll also top stitch this side. After top stitching this side, I'll top stitch the other side. I'll just hem it, okay, to hold the lining together. Can you see? So after that I'll insert my zip puller. After inserting my zip puller, and I'll bring my handle. My handle is measuring 20 inches, but depending on you, you can add or you can reduce this length of your handle. So I'll stitch it at this point of the zipper. Okay, then I will turn it over. After turning it over, I will find the midpoints of my gusset of my back. I'll find the midpoint. After finding the midpoint, I'll notch it. After notching it, I'll align it very well. The zipper side will serve at the up midpoint, which is going to kiss the down midpoint. Okay, so just watch what you are seeing. So after that, I will just give it a very straight stitch. Okay, after stitching it, the result will be as shown. Okay, after stitching it, I will now cut out 2.25 from both sides. Okay, then from this side you are going to place it, your measurement, on that stitch line, on the stitch line, not from the edge, on the stitch line. You just cut it, let it be equal. Okay, can you see? So what you do to this side, you do it to the other 3 sides. Can you see the result? So after that, I'll just bias this place. I'll cover it with a bias tape. After that, I'll now close these openings. Can you see? I'll just stitch it straight and then I'll bias it also. So if you have watched to this point without hitting that subscribe button, please, if you find this tutorial helpful and educative and very simple to make, please just like, subscribe, share and comments down below. To my returning subscribers, you are very much welcome. To my returning viewers, you are welcome to. I love you so very much. To my new subscribers and new viewers, you have chose the right place. Thank you for always sticking around. Thank you for always clicking on my videos. So can you see what this bag can contain? It's actually containing a lot. It can even take more than what I even put inside. Is very easy and beginner friendly. So please, why not go ahead and try yours? I know you can make it. So try yours and leave your comments down below. See you in the next class.